Well, it's January. As a matter of fact, just a couple days into the third decade of the 21st century. So we're going out and try to get some snow pictures. I don't like to be cold, so plenty of cold weather gear as we head out. I said we, and what I meant by we is you and I. We're going to take a little venture up into a place called Big Cottonwood Canyon. And what I'm looking for today is some snow on the trees and on the rocks and that kind of thing. And it's supposed to be, well, it is, a partly cloudy day as well as a sunny, partly sunny, mostly, I don't know, sixes. But anyway, so that's what we're going to do, and I'm excited about it. Roll that intro. This looks like an interesting little place. It's kind of a little side road off of the main highway, and looks pretty snowy, so we'll take a look and see what we can find up here. Looks good. It's cold up here, so if there's any shake to the camera, that's because I'm cold. But I found a beautiful little stream with some evergreens that still have some snow on them, so I want to get some drone shots of that. Probably a couple of still shots just for fun too. So let's see what we can pull out of this beautiful area. Well, it's been great up here in Big Cottonwood Canyon. As I'm heading out, I look back at some of the videos and shots that I've taken. Right now I'm only visualizing them in my head, but soon I'll be able to visualize them on the big screen. Beautiful area up here. I'd love to have you comment and tell me the best places that you like to go in the wintertime to get some good winter shots. Maybe you don't live anywhere where there's snow or whatever, but I'd love to hear where you like to go. Meanwhile, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so that you get reminded each time. Leave me a comment. One thing I need a good closing line, the last line of the whole video that, a little more interesting than see you next time. So give me a comment in that too. Anyway, until next time, we'll see you next time.